Hello, my name is Tony Dong. I am from Vietnam. NVDA earning favorable media coverage. Report shows news headlines about Nvidia NASDAQ NVDA have trended positive on Friday, Alpha One Sentiment reports. The research group, a service of Accern, identifies positive and negative press coverage by monitoring more than 20 million news and blog sources. Alpha One ranks coverage of public companies on a scale of 1 to 1, with scores nearest to 1 being the most favorable. Nvidia earned a news impact score of 0.27 on Alpha One's scale. Alpha One also gave headlines about the computer hardware maker an impact score of 79 out of 100, meaning that recent press coverage is likely to have an effect on the stock's share price in the near term. Here are some of the news headlines that may have affected Alpha One sentiment analysis rankings. Nvidia NASDAQ NVDA opened at 159.94 on Friday. The firm has a market capitalization of $95.16 billion, a price-to-earnings ratio of 53.69 and a beta of 1.31. The company's 50-day moving average price is 123.20 and its 200-day moving average price is 108.49. Nvidia has a 12-month low of 44.57 and a 12-month high of 160.00. Nvidia also saw unusually large options trading on Wednesday. Stock traders acquired 109,730 put options on the company. This represents an increase of approximately 116% compared to the average daily volume of 50,917 put options. Nvidia NASDAQ NVDA last released its earnings results on Tuesday, May the 9th. The computer hardware maker reported 0.82 earnings per share for the quarter, topping analysts' consensus estimates of 0.66 by 0.16. The company had revenue of $1.94 billion during the quarter, compared to the consensus estimate of $1.91 billion. Nvidia had a return on equity of 34.19% and a net margin of 26.17%. The firm's quarterly revenue was up 48.7% on a year-over-year basis. During the same quarter in the previous year, the company posted 0.46 earnings per share. Equities analysts expect that Nvidia will post 3.08 EPS for the current fiscal year. The company also recently announced a quarterly dividend, which will be paid on Wednesday, June the 14th. Stockholders of record on Tuesday, May the 23rd will be given a dividend of 0.14 per share. The ex-dividend date of this dividend is Friday, May the 19th. This represents a 0.56 dividend on an annualized basis and a dividend yield of 0.35%. Nvidia's payout ratio is currently 21.96%. NVDA has been the topic of a number of recent research reports. Stifel Nicolaus raised their price objective on Nvidia to 90.00 in a research note on Friday, February the 10th. Instinet raised their target price on Nvidia to 100.00 in a report on Friday, February the 10th. Summit Redstone set a 120.00 price objective on Nvidia and gave the company a buy rating in a report on Saturday, February the 11th. B. Riley reissued a buy rating and set a 135.00 price objective on shares of Nvidia in a report on Wednesday, February the 15th. Finally, Mizuho raised their price objective on Nvidia from 115.00 to 130.00 and gave the company a buy rating in a report on Friday, February the 10th. 6 analysts have rated the stock with a sell rating, 14 have assigned a hold rating, 18 have assigned a buy rating and 2 have assigned a strong buy rating to the company. The stock has an average rating of hold and a consensus price target of 113.96.
In related news, FPJK Pori sold 133,542 shares of the company's stock in a transaction dated Thursday, March 30th. The stock was sold at an average price of 108.53, for a total value of $14,493,313.26. Following the completion of the sale, The executive vice president now owns 601,367 shares in the company, valued at $65,266,360.51. The transaction was disclosed in a filing with the Securities Exchange Commission, which is available at the SEC website. Also, Deborah Shoquist sold 63,717 shares of the company's stock in a transaction dated Tuesday, May 30th. The shares were sold at an average price of $144.81, for a total value of $9,226,858.77. Following the completion of the sale, the executive vice president now owns 330,040 shares of the company's stock, valued at approximately $47,793,092.40. The disclosure for the sale can be found here. In the last 90 days, insiders have sold 446,582 shares of company stock valued at $55,120,680. 5.82% of the stock is currently owned by corporate insiders. Nvidia company profile. Nvidia Corporation focuses on personal computer PC graphics processing unit (GPU), and also an artificial intelligence AI. The company operates through two segments: GPU and Tegra processor. The company's GPU product brands are aimed at specialized markets, including GeForce for gamers, Quadro for designers, Tesla, and DGX for AI data scientists, and big data researchers, and Grid for cloud-based visual computing users. Receive news ratings for NVIDIA Co. Daily. Enter your email address below to receive a concise daily summary of the latest news and analysts' ratings for NVIDIA Co. and related companies. To comment on this article and other Macworld content, visit our Facebook page or our Twitter feed.
Thank you for watching. For the follow-up, subscribe to the channel yourself here.